Alright, so I left my batteries in the boat while I was working on it a couple weeks ago, and it rained, and it somehow shorted out the choke, and it broke or melted the plastic piece that goes into the it's secured through this metal piece through that pin. It goes in like that, and this had melted out or shorted out or something, and so I've gone back and put JB weld on it. It's already cured for like 3 days, and I've already ground it down, so now I'm just getting ready to drill it back out for the hole, and we're gonna see if it works. So here it is, all drilled out with the combination JB weld and the plastic. It goes in there really good. So now we just gotta put it back in there with that pin, and hopefully she'll hold. So I figured I'd show you guys the actual setup of this thing when it's in the water. You can see we're out here. I don't have any supports in this right now other than these cross beams that my seats are on, and the dashboard beam, and then I do have the one aluminum skeleton back there to just kind of keep it rigid. But I built this box for the universal control. Obviously I need to find a better home for all this stuff, but this is my choke right here. That's the on off switch, and this is a push button start, and obviously the steering wheel. And you can see back there, so I'll go ahead and start it up. I got the fuel tank and the battery right there. They're ratchet strapped to each other. I still have access to the gas cap. But let's see, choke's off, and ignition switch is off, so we'll turn that on. We'll give the push button a start. It starts right up because it's already warm. Put it in forward. Want to keep that wheel straight for a sec, and then I'll give it full throttle. So as you can see, it gets up and moves pretty good. It actually runs better with the weight of the people and everything in the front as opposed to the tiller setup. I can't do a top speed right now because I don't have another phone to do a Speedo app for. But last summer, right before we turned it off for the season, it was doing about 30 with 2 people in it. And I'm sorry, 30 with 3 people in it with the steering wheel set up. So next time I'm out here, which will be soon if the weather keeps getting nicer, I'll do a Speedo test to show you guys.